Hello, parents and students. I am excited to be coming at you from my desk. I was able to sneak in and be able to do our honors promotion type video for third quarter from my office. So this is how it's going to work. There are several videos probably attached to this video. I will be handing out the AR awards, those students that got awards for meeting their goal in the third quarter in their AR reading, and then also high achievers awards for the younger grades. The other teachers will have done their videos on the 3Rs as well as the Cougar Award and then the Growth Awards in the lower grades. So make sure you click on the appropriate grade for your child. Of course, you can watch all of them. But we're excited to be able to do this Honors Chapel live coming at you on remote learning. So here we go for students that received, we'll start with the AR Award. I will read through those. Congratulations to all you readers who are continuing to read. Great job, students. So proud of you. We're this close. We're at like 98, 99% of reaching our school goal as well. So super exciting, all the reading that you're doing at home. So let me jump right to it. So we'll start with first grade. In Mrs. White's class, the following students got met their goal in the AR for third quarter. Addie Peterson, good job. Arian Sakai, great job. Brooklyn Yarnell. Eli Roberts. Eli Fout. Emma Schellert. Jonas Ott. Lars Trulson. Riker Vines. And Whitney Andrus. Good job, first graders. Some more first graders from Mrs. Bryant's class. Dutcher Adams. Oliver Anderson. Wyatt Barger, Rosalie Barda, Ace Spaniel, Braden Stennis, Graylin Weaver. Great job, first graders. Let me jump to our second graders. Addison Ishmael, Caden Vines, Cassie Delator, Claire Gebauer, Diesel Peterson, Elijah Bartel, Isaac Vanderhoek, Jaden Udell, Cannon Vance. Wow, there's lots of you. Good job, second graders. Liam Elton, Micah DeVries, Mila Jinkerson, Noel Ott, Owen Terhune, Parker Rickabaugh, Rocco Rand, Samantha Henry, and Sawyer Wilson. Good job, all of you second graders in Mrs. Harrison's class. Let's jump to Miss Hanson's classroom. Third grade, Noah Anderson, Gabe Barda, Silas Bryant, Alyssa Davis, Brighton Hudson, Melissa Lang, Karen Mendoza Martin, and Clara Raymond. Good job, third grade. Fourth graders, Olet Barda, Niall Coffey, Kellen Wagner, Natalie McClung, Abby Sonnen, Amelia Sonnen, and Pierce Wilson. Good job, fourth graders, reading. And now fifth graders with Mrs. Schellert, Mackenzie Olenak, Mercy Bryant, Sebastian Cherney, Nanika Kov, Sarah Schellert, and Clayton Vanderhoek. Good job, fifth grade. And sixth grade readers from Mrs. Shatswell's class, Ava Heyer and Marielle Roebuck. Way to go, guys. So those are our readers. Congratulations on reading. Now we're going to jump into our high achievers. So these students that I read have gotten at least one or more subjects of 98% or higher. So wow, that is an incredible job during this last third quarter. So here we go. Let's start with our third grade in Miss Hanson's class. Noah, and Gabe, and Alyssa, and Claire, and Ruby, and Silas, and Parker. Those are our third grade high achievers. Good job, you guys, for a job well done. Now in Miss Taveldi's fourth grade class, Kayla Thompson, Gwenny Weaver, Olet Barda, Natalie McClung, Amelia Sonnen, Ava Easter, Abby Sonnen, Niall Coffey, Major Rodarte, Sydney Thresher, and Kellen Wagner. Good job on doing excellent in your studies. In Mrs. Schellert's fifth grade class, here are the students receiving the High Achievement Award. Mackenzie Allenak, Terry Anderson, Ethan Bowl, Mercy Bryant, Sebastian Cherney, Caleb Danyo, Nanika Kov, Julian Klevnoy, Kate O'Leary, Millie Owens, Sarah Schellert, Amelia Speary, Anna Sundval, Ella Thompson, and Clayton Vanderhoek. Good job, fifth graders. And finally, our sixth graders who scored really high and are getting the high achievers. Rain Divers, Ava Heyer, and Elsa Quee. Great job, sixth graders, for doing such great work. Great job, fifth graders, fourth graders, and third graders, and continuing to work super hard in your academics. Keep up the good work. I know that it can be a little bit more challenging at home, but I encourage you to just keep going during this fourth quarter as we do remote learning. So I'm so proud of you, students. Thank you, parents, for a great job at home, continuing to motivate and encourage your students. I can't wait till we're all back together again. I love you guys and appreciate you. And make sure to check out those other videos that your teacher sent out. We'll talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.